Alright, so the problem I'm having, this windshield's probably been replaced 2 times, I think. And I'm getting water in the cab. And I think this seal has a slight leak in it. So I don't see anywhere else that it'd be leaking, but I'm going to seal them up as well. So I'm going to use a pourable silicone. So let's get this degreased. Looks like we got some eagles here. I don't know if you can see them. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use. Window and glass sealant by Permatex 81730. can see it goes across there. There's no gap. I put some up here. Not too worried what it looks like. This truck's over 20 years old. I just want it to stop leaking into my cup holder. So let's wait for rain. It's supposed to rain in 2 days. We'll check it out.